one missionary was sick for I think a month while he lived there. He got dengue. I don't know if that's English or not, but he got dengue, and so he lost a lot of weight, and he couldn't, like, he was just always just, I don't know, losing liquids and stuff, and he spent a lot of the time in the hospital. And I got sick I think twice or 3 times. I got sick 3 times. One was just at the beginning of the mission. I just figured it was just kind of getting used to it. It was just kind of the worst thing was just diarrhea, which wasn't that bad. I think I was just getting used to the food and the water, even though we had to filter our water because there you can't drink it out of the tap. Which that was the second time I got sick, is because I drank it out of the tap. Because we have little filter bottles. I don't know if you've ever seen those, but they have the filter connected to it, and you suck it through the filter in the bottle, they're kind of expensive bottles that the church bought for all the missionaries there. So we had those, but there was one time where I didn't have my bottle, and our filter, we'd buy the it's a 20-gallon jug of just filtered water, already filtered, and we ran out of that, and I didn't have my bottle, and so I drank the water straight out of the tap, and I was sick for a week, and it was bad. I couldn't get out. The first 2 days I couldn't get out of bed. I couldn't leave the apartment because I was always between bed and bathroom. And then after that, I tried to go. I decided I was probably strong enough to go, and it was horrible walking around. That was probably the sickest I've ever been. But I didn't get any parasites or anything. I learned my lesson not to drink the water after that. And then the third time I got sick was just kind of a fluke. Kind of crazy. I don't know what it's from. I think it was from one of the lunches I had, because we ate lunch with all the member every day, because that's their big meal is lunch. And so we had lunch with a member the day before, and I got really sick. I don't know what it was. It's just the same kind of thing where it kind of like the sickness that I always got from that when I was there, just kind of an extreme exhaustion in going to the bathroom a lot. That was sickness I got. And then I spent a few times in the hospital with my companions. I never had to go to the hospital, thankfully, because I had to spend probably 3 or 4 days with one of my companions, because he was just on an IV. I don't even know what he had. It's probably the same thing, same kind of thing, but he was really down.